Hi, my name is Dave Cota from PropM Property Management. One question we get is, what's the best insurance, or what type of insurance do I need? At the end of the day, for a rental property, you need rental dwelling policy. And that basically covers anything that happens to your home: fire, ice, storm, wind, etc. And that's what you need. It's really not any more expensive relatively. It might be a few dollars here or there, but there's no huge increase for it being a rental property. The key is just making sure that they're aware it's a rental policy, and then you have the proper policy in place. I'd hate to have you see the wrong policy in place and have it not cover anything. Another option on really providing insurance for yourself is consider an umbrella policy. You'll have your rental dwelling policy. You could get an umbrella policy for not very much per year. If you did like a $1 million policy, for example, might only cost you a few $100s a year. And that's a big deal, because anything that first policy doesn't cover, your umbrella policy would pick up and cover. So my suggestion on insurance is get your rental dwelling insurance, add an umbrella policy over the top of that, and then you should be really covered and sleep well at night knowing that you are covered. That's all I got for you on insurance. If you have any questions, email me or give me a call. I look forward to helping you out. Thank you.